Hi students, once again welcome to our online classes. After a long time, once again we are going to learn something. I hope all of you are very energetic and ready to study something. So let's start students. In previous classes we have all discussed about we get different types of vegetables and fruits from the plant. Okay, but today we are going to study about we eat all vegetables or fruits that we are coming from the plant, we know, but we are eating the different types of parts of the plant as a vegetable. So whatever we are eating, it may be brinjal, means it may be potato, bitter gourd, it may be cabbage, whatever things we are eating as a vegetables, these are coming the different parts of the plant body. Very carefully you listen student, these are the coming different parts of the plant body. Whatever you are eating as a vegetables or fruits, you just remember potato, brinjal, bitter gourd, cabbage, carrot, beetroot, ginger. So these all are comes from the different parts of the plant body, and we have discussed also, and we have also studied that there are some certain parts of the plant are there. There are root part, stem part, leaf part, and flowers part are there already. So these are whatever we are eating day to day life as a vegetables. So these vegetables are comes from the different parts of the plant body. Okay, so let's start students. I will tell you what are the things, whatever the things that are coming from the different parts of the plant body we will see now. Okay, so let's start students. So student, here you see we eat all parts of the plant as a vegetable. See student, we eat all parts of the plant as a vegetables. So what are the parts we know student? That is the root part, stem part, leaves part, and flower part. And these are the different parts. There are 4 parts of the plant. First one is roots part, stem part, leaf part, and flowers part. So these root part, whatever the vegetables comes from roots, and whatever the vegetables comes from stems, and whatever the vegetables are comes from leaves, and whatever the vegetables comes from flowers, we will discuss now. Okay student, so see, first we will study about the edible roots parts. So first we will discuss about whatever the edible roots means. Edible means which is suitable to eat, which is suitable to consume to our body, that is called edible roots. So what are the vegetables we are getting from the roots? Now we will see. So first of all we will see, first of all, that is the sweet potato. It is a sweet potato. That sweet potato comes from the root. That the again carrot, turnip, radish, beetroot. So these are the comes from the root parts of the plant. Means we are eating these vegetables as a vegetables from its coming from the roots part of the plant. Okay, not stem or flower or leaves, which roots parts. So these all the vegetables comes on the roots part. Understood students? These all vegetables comes under roots part of the plant body. Okay student, and once again I will tell you why we are telling these are the roots parts. You just observe student very carefully this picture. See student, this picture very carefully you observe. See, very carefully observe this picture: carrot and sweet potato, turnip and radish and beetroot. See, on their body some of the roots are there. These are the roots. See, small roots parts are there, like this black color roots parts. So that means these are the we can say these are comes under roots part of the plant body. Okay students, understood? So now we will come to stem part. What are the vegetables we are eating which are belongs to stem part? Okay, so this second one is stem part. We will discuss stem part, and what are the vegetables comes from stem parts of the plant. Okay, so see, we will discuss this is the stem part. So first of all is stem parts are some of the vegetables which are comes under stem part. First of all is potato. This is our day to day life vegetables. We will eat regularly potato, ginger, and water chestnut, and lotus stem. So these vegetables we will eat, and these are comes from the stem part of the plants. Okay, it may be, see here student, it is written potato and ginger grow under the soil, but they are specially stem, not root. Okay, you can say sir, you can ask also sir, these are the also comes grow under the ground, means under the soil, but how it is comes under stem? No, it is comes under stem only, not root part. Okay, it is comes under potato, ginger, and say water chestnut and lotus stem. These all are comes under stem part of the plant. What? Stem part. Stem part of the plant body. Okay students, so these are the stem part of the, it is not root, it is not flower, it is not leaves part. These are comes under stem parts of the plant. Understood students? Now we will come on the third one, that is third one is leaves part. Okay, leaves part, and whatever the things are comes under leaves part, now we will check. Okay, leaves part, that is spinach and lettuce, methi or fenugreek, we can say it fenugreek. Okay, fenugreek, cabbage. So these are comes under leaves part of the plant body. So these are comes under leaves part. Once again I repeat, spinach and lettuce, methi, we can say methi or fenugreek or cabbage. So cabbage you can see directly, you can say why these are comes under leaves part. These are looks like exactly leaves. Okay, and we can say these are leaves only. So these are comes under leaves part of the plant body. It's not a root, it's not stem, it is not flower. These are the direct leaves part of the plant. Okay students, now we will come to fourth one, that is flower part. See student, this is the flower part. So whatever the vegetables comes under the flower part of the plants, so see here cauliflower, broccoli, so these are comes under the flower part of the plant body. Okay, you can say it is a flower also, one type of flower, but these vegetables we are eating day to day life, these are comes under flowers part of the plant body. So first of all I told you student, I have said you, we eat all the parts of the plant as a vegetables, means there are four parts of the plant are there, that is roots part, stem part, leaves part and flower part. So these four parts we are eating as a vegetables, means now you see flower part we are eating cauliflower, broccoli, and leaves part we are eating student spinach, lettuce, methi, cabbage, and then stem part potato, ginger, water chestnut, lotus stems, and roots parts we are eating. These are the roots parts we are eating. That means student, we are eating the different parts of the plant as a vegetables. Okay, so different parts of the plant as a vegetables we are eating day to day life. Whatever the vegetables we brought from the market, so these all the vegetables or it may be fruits also, these are the different parts of the plant body. It may be a roots part, it may be a stem part, it may be a leaves part, it may be a flowers part of the plant body. Understood, student? So these all the vegetables comes under the different parts of the plant body we are eating. When you will go for lunch, when you will go for breakfast, when you will go for dinner, when you are eating some vegetables, just you relate which parts of the plant these vegetables comes. Okay, so you can relate also, and you can go for your kitchen room also, you can observe, you can relate these vegetables or whatever the vegetables available are in your kitchen room. You can go and you can ask your mom, you can observe yourself these vegetables are comes from which part of the plant body. Understood, students? So I hope all of you understood clearly. So any doubt, any queries, if you have, you can ask me. So student, very important things I am telling once again, student. Watch the video fully, properly, and listen carefully. If you have doubt, then you ask me in groups. Okay, student? So thank you, student. I hope all of you clear about. So once again, thank you. Take care.